Imagine not having a leg, but still being able to run. Well, one local man has invented a contraption that may just make that possible. It's called the Glide Cycle, and Southern Oregon's Dave Vidmar has taken it all the way to Walter Reed Medical Center, where he says it's practically changed lives.
Blown off below the knee. She got into this and she ran so well. After a quarter mile, we were headed back to the barn where all the staff was waiting for us, and I looked at her and said, you know, you've got this, let's sprint. She turned in a sprint that was just fabulous. It was everything I could do to run next to her as fast as I could. I saw her look over to me and look at my body. She looked at her body, and she looked back up and she screamed, I'm running.
Developers say the Glide Cycle has a spring support system that removes the impact of running. Now, it's still in the testing phase, but may be available to the public this spring.